In this video, we'll learn how to set up your email and text notifications through the system. So the way to do that is go to Settings and then Configuration. And there are a few things we'll need to do to set that up. The first one is go to Email Notifications. And from here there's a few different options you can activate or deactivate. You can set it up so it only sends the notifications to customers with the verified email address just by selecting that. And this part will be pretty valuable for you to determine what you want to do. So you can have it show only the date and not the time on a customer reminder email. If you deselect that, you can use a time window. So instead of saying we'll show up at 10 o'clock, it'll say will show up between 10 and 12 if you put a 2-hour time window, or between 10 and 11 if you put a 1-hour time window. So you can kind of mess with that and see how you want to set it up for your specific office. And then here's a few other things. If you want to have the begin end time on your invoice, once you process the job, it'll put on, let's say you showed up at 10, finished the job at 11, it'd have that on the invoice. You can send the welcome letter and agreement upon customer creation by having this selected, and then you can put your different messages right here that'll be sent out. So again, you go to Settings, Configuration, and Email Notifications to set up these different settings for your email notifications. And then the software also has the ability to have some form letters, so you can go to Configuration and Form Letters and create letters that you send out on a regular basis. For example, unpaid reminder to your customers that haven't paid. You can send those. So here's what it'd look like. You click on there and then you can put in what are called dynamic variables. So you can just copy and paste that over there, and it'll fill in the customer's name, and then you can have the different invoice numbers and the balance, any credit they have, and next service. So you can just copy and paste any of these dynamic variables over into the body of the email that you want sent out. You can name it what you want, have the email subject as well. You do that here and you add new ones from that button there. And then for your text messages, you just go down to so Settings, Configuration, and then SMS. And you can do the same thing here, add your form letters. So you go to Add Form Letter, and then you can title it what you want, have your internal description, and then when you do the confirm the jobs. So say you have a route built for tomorrow and you have 20 jobs that you want to confirm by text. If you just want this message to be the one that is sent when you confirm the job, then you select that box there, and then you can type in your text, and you have 140 characters that you can use. So that's the basics of setting up your email notifications, your form letters for emails, and your form letters for text messages that are sent through the system.